Hello, my name is Eric. I'm the product manager of IVA and I am from AV Electronics Marketing Sdn Bhd.
First, let us add the two antennas into the receiver port so that your receiver can capture the incoming radio wave. To do so, find the slot of the antenna. Notice there is two ridges on the left and right. That is the locking mechanism. Align the slots and the antenna will fit just right in. Turn it clockwise until you hear a click sound. Do that for the other side. Make sure when you space the antennas, they are decently spaced apart from each other. This gives the antenna space to properly receive radio frequencies from all sides. Now, to power up the device, take your DC power supply and connect it to the power plug. Once you have done that, you are all set. Click the power button to turn it on. On the navigation menu, this is where you can access settings like your EQs and your audio levels. For example, I want to change the default display on the screen. First, choose which channel you want to use. For the sake of the video, we will stick to channel 1. Hold on the button for a few seconds and a pop-up menu will appear. Scroll through and find Set This P. Enter, then choose this P frequency and press again. As you can see, it is now displaying frequency. The display shows two controllable channels. The L knob here controls channel 1 and the R knob here controls channel 2. Both channels are muted at the moment because you have guessed it, there's nothing paired. We'll fix that in a second. Alright, on to the menu. First, you have two modules. This is where you want to quickly set up your device without worrying which frequency will work. The right module moves up and the others go down. If you wonder why it's affecting both channels, it is because they are paired together as a group. This is to ensure that both channels work perfectly without interruption. Like all receivers, the device comes with a scan and a sync button. To use the frequency scanning features of the Advanced Compact, press the scan button. It will enter scan mode. Then, select your chosen channel by pressing the L knob or R knob. Unlike other systems, it doesn't sweep the whole frequency. It goes ascending to the next available channel that is free of RF. If the RF is not clean, you will skip until one that is decent enough. The sync function works the same way. Press the sync button and select your preferred channel. Once selected, the channel will start blinking. You can now choose either the handheld or the Bodypack. I'm going to show you the handheld since there are special features that is built in. First step first, uncover your handheld cover to locate the battery placement spot. Then insert two AA batteries. Pro tips, get rechargeable ones for future costs. To connect with your handheld, you would need to find RF port on the handheld. To find this, open the battery cover and you can see this all the way at the bottom. Then align the port right in front of the sync button. That will be the RF port of the receiver. And hold still for a few seconds. Make sure the handheld is close enough to the port. Once successfully connected, the screen will pick up the AF and RF screen. Just as a precaution, any setting done on the receiver will not translate to the handheld. Any changes done, you will have to change over and sync again. Now on the second method, this only works for the handheld, the shake to sync features. To do connect by shake to sync, make sure the screen of the receiver is the default when you turn it on. These features can only activate when your handheld is off. Now the important part. Start shaking the mic while holding the power on button until the IVA screen pops up. If the first channel are empty, it will automatically pair to the first channel. And if the first channel is already paired, then it will automatically pair to the second channel. Note that any changes done to the receiver will not transmit to the handheld. You would need to start the pairing process all over again. The auto mute function is automatically turned off in its default setting. To turn the setting on, press and hold the power button until the handheld turns off and reboot. Make sure you hold on the power button the entire time until it switches back on. Once you have performed the step properly, the auto mute is then enabled. So, whenever the mic is in still position, the device will turn off automatically after 5 seconds. Any movement to the mic will turn it back on. Now for the body pack, first you have to place in your battery. Press and hold the slot on the side of the body pack and pull down to access the guard slots. Then, pull the battery slot upward and place your AA batteries. Now to the lavalier mic, you can use any lavalier mic with the micro jack or you can standard one given by the set. Just plug it in and tighten the screw. Great. Now just hold the button to turn on. To sync your body pack, just use the same method with your handheld. Press the sync button and choose which channel you would like to sync and press the knob. Then IR body pack is on top, so just align it to the IR port on the receiver, which is the same as the sync button.